Let's learn how to insert center lines and center marks in AutoCAD. First, let's go to the Annotate tab and find the Center Lines panel. To place a center mark, click the Center Mark tool and select the edge of a circle that you want to apply a center mark to. Select all of the circles that you would like to apply a center mark to. Press Enter when you are finished. To draw a center line, go back up to the Center Line panel and select the Center Line tool. Then select the two lines that your center line falls in between. This tool does not repeat automatically, so you will have to reactivate the tool for every center line you wish to draw. A quick way of doing this is by pressing either the Enter key or the space bar. This reactivates the last tool used in AutoCAD. Follow for more tips and tricks in AutoCAD.